Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how we can integrate Hubspot with Aircall. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is go to top right, the marketplace, and click here app marketplace. Then you're gonna see search app name on business and just write here Aircall. When you're gonna do it, you're gonna see it here Aircall, and then you're gonna see that you got really great reviews. And the usage of it is really simple. So as you can see, when you're gonna open the Aircall here, you would be able to see also the activity, and you can simply call and everything with Aircall thanks to the Hubspot too. You can simply add notes. And as you can see, it's like really easy. And also you would see down below the phone number that you can call them. And phone number also in here as a column in Hubspot. So you can simply call when you have Hubspot connected with the Aircall. And then you're gonna see also analytics in Hubspot. So you just click here, connect application. And you just click here, install. And you just sign out and you got it. So this is pretty much it how you can do it. I mean, it's quite simple, very easy, and you get plenty of reviews. So thank you very much guys for watching. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.